Hi everyone! Welcome to a very special day at the Unstoppable Kids Club. Today, we are going on a curious adventure about light and shadows. It's a beautiful morning, and Benny is standing perfectly still. But look closely at the ground. Do you see what his shadow is doing? Wait a minute! Benny says he isn't dancing at all. He looks back at his shadow and can't believe his eyes. How is that possible? Chloe, Leo, Sophie, Annie, and Zara are all here too. They start giggling because their own shadows have started moving and grooving independently just like Benny's. This is so mysterious. The friends decide to investigate. They find a bright light source near a tall, smooth wall to see what happens. As they move closer to the light, their shadows grow bigger and bigger until they are like giants against the wall. Isn't that amazing? Then, they step back away from the wall. Watch how the shadows shrink instantly. Shadows are like magic shapes that change size whenever we move. Leo uses his hands to make a shape. Look, it's a giant dinosaur roaming across the wall. Roar! Shadows can be anything we imagine. Sophie joins in next. She wiggles her fingers and creates a beautiful butterfly shadow that flutters its wings in the bright light. Annie, Zara, and Maya work together as a team. By standing in a line, they form a funny, long animal silhouette that makes everyone laugh. Chloe shows off a clever spinning maneuver in her purple wheelchair. Her shadow rotates on the ground, looking like a beautiful spinning top or a star. Now it is time for the silent dance. Sophie starts a rhythmic and joyful dance, using only her shadow to express the beat of the music. Everyone joins in. They are all experimenting with movement, watching how their shadows stretch and bend under the cinematic, golden sunlight of the savannah. They are laughing and playing, discovering that even without sound, their shadows can tell a story through dance and movement. As the afternoon goes on, the sun begins to dip lower in the sky. Something new is happening to the shadows now. Look how long they are! Benny the brave lion finally understands the science behind the fun. He realizes that shadows change whenever the light or their position changes. Benny says that you don't have to know every answer before you start exploring. Curiosity is the key to learning how the world works. The friends decide to try one last shadow experiment together. They gather in a circle, positioning their bodies just right as the sun sets. Look at that! By standing together, their shadows combine into one giant, magnificent shadow butterfly that fills the entire field. What an amazing discovery! Science is everywhere, even in the shadows dancing behind us. All we have to do is look and ask why. Always remember to stay curious and keep asking questions about the world around you. You never know what you might find. Try something new today and see what amazing things you can discover. We'll see you next time for more adventures. Be curious, ask questions, try something new, discover something amazing. Thanks for joining the Unstoppable Kids Club TV.